In this video I'm going to show you to go ahead and sign up for a new Gate account and identity verification for your account. Step 1. Go to gate.com and click on Sign Up. Step 2. Type your email, then type your WOBE selected password. And type this referral code to get an additional 20 off of your trading fees. Or you can just also click on the link down below in the description in our channel on YouTube that will take you to this page here which automatically have that referral code. Step 3. Type your fund password. For withdrawal, please keep in mind. Step 4. Switch to your Gmail, open the mail sent by Gate.io, then you need to activate your account by visiting the following link in Gate.io. Click Login. Then click Send Email Code, type the code just send in your email. Step 5. In the TOTP section in the bottom, click Set Now. Click Google Authenticator, TOTP. Click here. Click SMS Setup section at the top. Write down your information including your name, phone number, and your fund password you just created before. Click Send Email Code. Next, a 6-digit verification code was sent in your email. Switch to your email, click on the email sent by Gate. Paste the code back in Gate. Click Send SMS. Type the code that has been sent to your phone. Click Setup SMS. Step 6. Click in the KYC and Security. In the Google Authenticator, click Immediate Binding. Click here. Now, search Google Authenticator PC on Google. Add it in your Chrome, and pin it in your extensions in Chrome. Open Authenticator, then scan the QR code in Gate. 6-digit code is pumped up, then paste the 6-digit code you just scanned in Gate. Type your fund password. Click Send SMS, type the code has been sent to your phone. Click Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Step 7. Click KYC, Identification, click Verify Now. Fill your information, then choose Identity Document Type, and upload your ID. Then upload a photo of you hold the ID card and the Gate.io ID. Click Confirm and Submit. Step 8. In the KYC 2, Verification Plus, section, click Submit Gesture Photo. Then take photos with required gestures. That's it. Now you can trade.